recording again, no way. What the fuck? Come on. Come on. How do we get in this? Which way does the window open on this thing? It fucking... Put it on that side open. I tried to raise. Like, look, tight, buddy. Oh, man. What? Oh, fuck, we're up here. We're going to real? No, it's going to be something. Yeah. Oh, fuck, you're fucking up high, buddy. How are you down there? No, get on now. Michael. What's over here? There's more roof, but it ends. Oh, I didn't see that. Okay, don't fall, or I'll fucking have to come see me. I'll be pissed off. Fuck, let's get down from here, buddy. Oh, fuck, how do we get down from here? We're up on the fucking roof. Bring it down! Oh, fuck! How did I just... Wait, shine right here. Can we just... I can see the door there!
No, wait, I can't.
I can't.
No, I can't. That's just a shot.
For fuck's sake.
You just time my
Fuck, I'm fucking scared of pants.
I could just rip the siding.
Isaac! You're a piece of shit!
I'm not gonna check outside this. Like, damn it.
How did the fucking screen come off? Stop. Let's go get the screen to come off first. Let's go get the screen to come off. Just the screen has to come off. Right?
I don't have any tools. If we had a screwdriver.
Hey! Keep it on there!
Try to fucking break in.
This is gonna be the fucking YouTube video of the year. Breaking
shit-ass burglars can break into.
Yeah, burglars. We fucking suck as burglars. We're drunk. We're up on the roof. Drunken on the roof. Drunken on the roof.
We're drunk. If we die, it's on your fucking hands, man.
Damn straight, guys.
You can't let us fucking break into shit.
We fucking die. We're fucking...
I wish I had a fucking...
You probably can't see because of the flash, but we're fucking well
I
above...
can fucking see that.
Probably 12 feet above the ground here. Drunk as fuck. Trying to break your room in!
Okay, wait.